We are in cryptocurrency because we want to make money. You want to make money. I don't think you are here because you don't want to make money. Of course not. You are here because you want to make life-changing wealth, and you are looking for that coin, that cryptocurrency, which is going to give you the gains you deserve daily, weekly, and yearly. MOG Coin is one of those coins that can really appreciate your portfolio to the upside. You need to watch out in what you invest in. You don't have to be investing in things that are not going to add value to your portfolio. If you want to have a sustainable portfolio, then you need to be holding coins that can add value to the portfolio. I'm not saying that MOG Coin is the only coin out there that can add value to your portfolio. But what I'm saying is it is the coin that will add value to your portfolio in addition to other other coins that you already have. But now I think most of you haven't yet understood the idea of crypto, like meme coins, utility coins, and so on. There are so many categories out there. But I want to tell you something right now about meme coins. If you want to buy a meme coin, you should buy a meme coin that has already established. A meme coin that has a community that is pushing that coin to the moon. We have SPX, which is being pushed by More, or is it More, something like that. Yeah, More, so one guy in on X. Yeah, I think his name is More, something like that. If I'm mistaken, you can comment his name below. And we have many other coins. Dogecoin, we had many people who were pushing Dogecoin, like Elon Musk and other influencers who believe in the coin. So there was a community. Pepe, the same thing. So if you want to take your investment to the next level, and you love meme coin, and you want the meme coin that have huge potential in the future, then you should be buying meme coins that have that align in that category. MOG Coin align in that category. Okay, I'm not just saying this because I want to hype MOG Coin. No, I'm not trying to hype MOG Coin. I'm saying this based on previous data. You can go and check past performance of MOG Coin, and you're gonna see it for yourself. You can even go to so many data points to get to extract information about the past performance of MOG Coin. We're gonna go through all of this today. So, if you are new on my platform, it's always awesome to be here, right? It's been a while. I do a MOG Coin update today. I just want us to go down the street of the internet and see what this baby MOG is doing. We're gonna look at past performance, look at current performance, and we decide what we're gonna be doing with this bad boy in days to come. I'm gonna warn you that we might experience some downside today, Wednesday, which is midweek reversal, like usually Wednesday and Friday and Thursday. Midday reversal days. So yeah, we're gonna expect some sort of reversal, but we're gonna be looking at the bigger picture here, not just the short term, right? So yeah, if you're new here, guys, do go right now and smash the subscribe button. Like, it's free. It's gonna help the algorithm reach out to more people. Yeah, reach out to more people. And guys, trust me, if you really believe in MOG Coin, then you should be subscribed to my platform. I love MOG Coin. I love it. So you wanna love someone who love MOG Coin, right? Not only MOG Coin, many other coins that I talk about here. So go right now and do that subscribe and at least thumbs up. Let's give this video more than 100 likes. Let's make this video one of the top in the MOG Coin video space. MOG Coin video space. I just created a new one. Now let's dive into this quickly. I want us to basically, I want to show you guys based on past data. Look at the chart of MOG Coin. Look at when it was launched. Look at how price moved gradually, and price has been in an uptrend consistently. And the market dipped because of we all know the altcoin market has been facing the downtrend because of Bitcoin dominance. Like, everyone who is in crypto is aware of that fact, that every crypto is down against Bitcoin to an extent when you look at the long term, right? Now, when you look at this, okay, And also this, it shows a healthy recovery after this huge dip. You see, price made this huge dip, and we are now seeing this recovery after this huge dip. First move to the upside, retracement to key levels, and now we are seeing that MOG Coin is gonna attempt to go make the next all-time high. I'm gonna prove it to you. Like, okay, now let's look at the cap. The cap is simple. It's simple. It's not like this bad boy went right up to almost 2 million cap, right? And now the cap is 373.16 million. And this bad boy is still among the top 200 coins in this crypto space. What more do you want to prove to yourself that you are holding a killer gem in your portfolio? Now, look at the volume. Look at the volume. Look at the volume. It has increased. The volume right now is 28.14 million. You can go to other coins out there, altcoins. They won't have the same volume as MOG Coin. They won't, because there are not more people trading it. Go to where it's been traded. You see, not yet. Like we don't yet see major exchanges listing this bad boy. Bybit has listed this bad boy, but Binance is not yet listed it. Coinbase, of course, have listed it, and we know what happened recently with Coinbase. Coinbase has integrated Aerodrome finance in their application, meaning those who are going to be buying, who are using like those Coinbase users are going to be buying more coin, because now they're exposed to more coin since more coin is on Aerodrome finance. So this is mind blowing. The volume that Coinbase can drive to a coin. MOG Coin and being among the top meme coin in the space. What do you think investors are going to do? Of course, they're going to go to the top project, because they believe the top project have more security than emerging project. Okay. Now, you can buy Aerodrome. By the way, guys, if you are in cryptocurrency and you don't yet have a VPN, my friend, I'm going to recommend you have a VPN. We heard the news that major big tech companies hack, like the hack news that the password was extracted from this major financial or social media platforms, and we receive warnings that we should protect ourselves by changing our password. You know what? You can use NotPass. NotPass will help you protect your password from the hackers. The hackers might get it, but NotPass can automatically change your password to protect you, and you can get this for 15. Like I think it's almost $5 per month. If you look at this, and it's a good buy, right? This is in Swedish currency, because I'm in Sweden. But if you can check it on your own in your own currency, you're gonna see that it's way cheaper. Okay, and you can also get NordVPN to protect you from the hackers online. You can see, guys, you need to, like, it doesn't matter whether you are doing crypto or not, you need to protect yourself, and NordVPN can give you that protection, right? You can get up to 72% off NordVPN if you use my link. Just go to the description of this video and you're gonna find my link tree. This is my link tree. Go to where it says NordVPN or NotPass. Do just that, and you're going to get the discount that you're seeing from NotPass and NordVPN. So let's dive into the chart of MOG Coin. But before we go there, I want us to look at this. Marie, like this lady, she's I love her post. She's one of the MOG Coin lovers. Look at her following. She has 70k follower, and she loves MOG Coin. And you can see she posted that the coin MOG Coin is outperforming all other meme coins. Yeah, you can see MOG Coin is among the top meme coin in the space. What do you think? Right? It's gonna outperform most of the meme coins out there. Let's just go to the meme coin market. Let's see. Since MOG Coin is among the top 200 coins in the crypto space currently, let's just see which meme coins are among the top currently. Let's just go to the meme coin market and see what we got right now when it comes to the top meme coins in the space. I always would love to do this because like doing this gives me more perspective as to what is going on with with this bad boy and what I should be expecting in the future with the bad boy. Let's get to this currently. Let's see. Dogecoin, of course, as the big daddy meme coin. Shiba Inu, of course, Pepe, Tron, yeah, SPX, Bong, Filecoin. Guys, Filecoin is a big dog. We're gonna be talking about Filecoin more. Dog with Heart, Floki, Penguin, ApeCoin, Bread, Dog. You can see MOG Coin. So MOG Coin, if you look at this, is among. Let me just try to count it. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So it's among the 14. Like it's the 14 is the rank is a 14 meme coin in the space. Yeah, that's the rank. So you think if investors want to buy any coin especially on the base ecosystem, they're gonna buy all of these other ones. We're gonna buy MOG Coin or Bread Coin for sure. I've always talked about it with you guys that Bread Coin and MOG Coin are the biggest on the base chain. Now let's get to the chart. Let's see what we got here. Okay. Now I want to take us now to the daily time frame. Okay, like. Well, let's just begin with the weekly time frame because I want us to see first the weekly setup for this bad boy, where we are currently. So based on the way I go about my analysis, where we are is a pretty decent, good environment where we would have been looking for a buy opportunity to take price to the next high, right? You see, MOG Coin has been in a downtrend looking at the weekly time frame, and we started seeing new trend forming. Back then, I think that was Monday, 7th of August, that week. Or ever since we have been in an uptrend right up to May, like that's Monday, May 5th. That week, and after that we have been seeing retracement, but the retracement didn't really go anywhere. That was how many weeks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks until we are seeing this now. So almost, let's say more than 1 month. Or now looking at the weekly time frame, MOG Coin was downward, right? If you look at this, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like almost 2 months, right? MOG Coin was punching downward, but it didn't take all of this vector, which was just 1 week, So it is taking these so many weeks to just get to this level, That should tell you how bullish this coin is, how bullish, how important the coin is. Right, you see now the price get there, and we are seeing this bounce. So this bounce at least should take us towards this high here. If it fails, then we can now be skeptical of what the future might hold for more coin. I mean the short-term future. Yeah. So if we go now to the daily time frame, you will see that we have liquidity here more to the upside, and the liquidity that we have below is far away, like right down here. Even though we have some vectors here, but price already sweep most of this vector. Let's say to an extent, if we have to see price, fail this move. Excuse. If we have to see, if we see this current move fail to go and make higher highs, you can see this current move has been rejecting on the bottom moving average. You can see rejecting. So this move now, like this move from this vector candle, let's say 3 days ago, right, or 2 days ago, should take us at least to make higher highs. Right, that's why I mark from here that from here we're gonna go up straight, and the same thing is gonna play out. We're gonna go up there, come here, then hit that liquidity there. right? So this is what I'm looking at for MOG Coin. You can see we have been in this downtrend, and we can still go. We can still keep going down, right? But what I don't want to see is this, guys. I don't want price to break and close below, yeah, on the daily time frame. It can still do that. Price can still do that, but I want to see price. If price get below this line, I want to see a huge bounce back to that level, then we take price back to the upside. So that's what I'm looking at. If say like the worst case scenario, if we have to see price plunge downward again from where we are, then it should take us here, it should SFE us here, then take us to that upside. But now if we look at the 4 hours time frame from yesterday's move, you see that let me zoom this so you can see clearly. Price is struggling here around the better moving average, and price is above all of this better moving average. All right, and if that's the case, like for now, guys, I think if you're in any trade, like MOG Coin trade, short or long, close it. Okay, I'm gonna tell you when to get in, looking at the 4 hours time frame. So let's say we cannot just short the market without giving seeing any signal, like proper signal, like let's say for example stopping volume candle. We haven't seen anything yet, based on what I'm looking at currently. So if say you want to trade this, like wait for that first move first. The first move can happen like this quickly. It can go up, then come down and sweep this liquidity here. If it does that, then maybe we can expect a healthy move now back there. But I cannot really say a healthy move because we are still around this liquidity here. If we are to come back down here to sweep this other liquidity, it's gonna put us at risk to be able to go down here towards this zone that I mentioned. So I'm gonna be focusing more on this other probability. Of course, I'm not gonna look at my emotions or dwell on my emotions. I'm gonna focus on what the chart is gonna give me. So if saying like based on what I'm seeing here, I should be looking at short, not longs. Until I see break of structure here, then price is gonna hold that structure and stay above the better moving average at least for the next 4 hours. Then after that, I can start looking for the next trade. For now, because price is rejecting, is still attempting to break this zone, I'm gonna be looking at this to mean they want to mark price down, and it's gonna depend on what Bitcoin will do. Okay, now if we drop down to the 1 hour time frame, you see that we have been getting some signal here that the market is showing like is somehow. Let me just bring in a different indicator here. I was working on an indicator the whole night, guys. Let me see if say I'm able to bring it to you guys. Let me just try if say I can bring it to you guys right now. The name is called the BETONG Crypto Market Session Info. So let me open it to a new tab. Let's see if this is gonna load. This is dominance. I'm gonna look at dominance at some point if say I have time, but let's just wait a little bit for this to load. Yep, let's wait this to load. Okay, so I'm just gonna go to Bitcoin right now. No, not Bitcoin, MOG Coin. It's a Bitcoin. Let me go to MOG Coin. So let's see. Yeah, and let's see. I want to see this on like okay. So on this time, like what I'm seeing here on the 1 hour time frame is bullish, like buy. You can see this green arrow here it means bullish. It means I should buy, and also this is because price is above the daily open. Yeah, you can see this red line here is the daily open, and price is still above the daily open. And when price is above the daily open, what I should be looking at is more buy until I start seeing sell before I'm gonna buy. I'm gonna look at selling. But now there is not yet any force move like liquidity grab, so I'm not gonna be looking at any sell now until I see like some sort of liquidity grab spike to the upside before I'm gonna be looking at sell. Or yeah, for now it's more buy until I see otherwise. Price have to break structure and stay below this daily open before I'm gonna be looking at any short position. But for now, I think we should be looking at a buy more and more. Guys, this is a new indicator that I built today. The whole night I was building this indicator. It's like, the BETONG crypto market session. I'm gonna be explaining I'm gonna be explaining to you guys how it works in subsequent videos, because this is what I'm gonna be using in most of my videos. I'm gonna add the BETONG moving average, of course, the alpha trend. But this is what I'm gonna be using most of the time to trade. Yeah, with you guys. Okay. So if I have to add something here, I think it's gonna be the BETONG moving average, but not on this live stream. But so far, guys, we are good to go. I think I've shared with you guys everything you should know about MOG Coin today. I'm already up 20 minutes. I don't want to make this to be too long, but to an extent overall, I think we are bullish until we see price stay above the break and close below the 50-day moving average and below this daily open before I'm going to start looking for short position. For now, we should be looking at a buy, but looking at the bigger picture, like the 4 hours time frame. Let's see what we got here. Okay, it's still showing us buy, even though we are looking at this liquidity grab here. So yeah, I think we should be looking at buy more than sell, okay, for MOG Coin. All right, guys, this is it. It's up to you now to decide what you want to do. You want to keep holding this bad boy and make some massive gains, trade this bad boy, make some massive gains, or you are going to be on the sidelines. All right, guys, that's it. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye. Ciao.